Welcome back to Modern Day Street Rods. So, been working on the headlights for the Nissan 300 wide body, and this is what we got. I'm pretty happy how it's turned out so far. I won't be able to finish it because I'm waiting on the Angel Eye to come through the mail. But the turn signal idea is amazing. In my opinion, of course. Of course, it's my idea, so I think it's amazing. So, what I'm about to show you is what the headlight looks like with the lights off, so you can see it better. But we got our DRL here, we got our honeycomb lens, and we got our Z turn signal, which you're about to see. It's amazing. So there we go. There's my turn signal, my Z turn signal, my honeycomb lens, my DRL. The only thing left, like I said, we need the Angel Eye. That's where we're at. I love it. Tell me what you think in the comments.